आत्मा न सोचती न कांक्षति समा सर्वेषु भूतेषु मद भक्ति लभते परम. So that Gyanis are who are nice karma, they're not doing material any activities. Everything living or just coming one level or just telling Aham Brahmasmi, I am Atma Brahma, I am soul, I am Atma. This level coming, Brahm Bhut Prasanna Atma, na sochati na kanchati. But saying if they coming very high level, this Brahm Sakshatkar level, he's coming on Sarup Atma level, I am Atma. But saying they after Atma no thinking more. I am Atma, this knowledge coming, Jnana coming, but Atma's what is bhav, what is mood, what is seva, they know accept, they barjit. From distance there, achut bhava barjitam. So that cause that Jnana is not excellent. That Jnana have no any beauty because achut bhava barjitam. If someone know I am Atma, it's okay. But even you don't know I am Atma, still you are Atma. So Atma know or don't know, it's not make any difference. Main things, Atma what can do, this thing necessary to follow, this thing necessary to activity, this thing necessary to do. और आत्मा धर्म कृष्ण सेवा. जीवेर स्वरूप है कृष्ण नित्य दास. और दास means service. So this service, that relationship, that motive not accept, then that Gyan is not any value. So if Gyan not value, then which karmas where is not any relationship, just sense enjoyment, just they're doing jagyas, tapasyas, or hamans, and many donation, many activities doing, many charities doing, many things giving, many donation giving, but there's no any relationship with Krishna, no any sambandha with Vaishnava devotee, just doing. So this type of karma, dry karma, kam karma, even niskam karma, what is not offered to Bhagavan, that is called karma. So by that you can understand where is not any saman with Vaishnavas, no saman with Thakurji, no saman relationship with Vrindavan, with directly, that person anything do, that called to karmi. But if you are under Guru Vaishnava guidance and you taking fully surrender or taking Krishna mantra, marto jada tyakta samasta karma nivedita atma vichikisito me tada amritatvam maya atma bhoya kalpate chave. Marto jada tyakta samasta karma nivedita atma vichikisito me. If any jivas, everything live means what you have do, but this do with relationship with Krishna. Because if we everything stop, then how can we move? But Bhagavan is saying anything what you have, everything give to me. Sarva dharman kayana vacha mansa indriyava buddhaya atmana banusirta swabhavat jajat karoti sakalam parasmay narayana iti sakalam samarpayate. Everything like Prahlad Maharaj said, Sarvanam Kirtanam, they're saying Sarvanam Kirtanam Vishnu Asmaranam Pada Sevanam Archanam Bandhanam Dasyam Sakhyamatma Nivedanam Iti Punsar Pita Vishnu Bhakti Chen Lavlachana Kriyate Bhagavati Adha Tan Manni Adhitam Uttamam. If someone everything offered to Thakurji, Iti Punsar Pita Vishnu, I am Thakurji's, me and mine, everything is Thakurji's, Bhagavan, belong to Radha Krishna. Manas deha geha je kichu mora arpinu tua pade nanda kishore. Like this, fully surrender. And directly doing to Sravan Kirtan, to pure Vaishnav's mouth, Sravanam Kirtanam Vishnu, this all bhakti limbs following. This is bhakti. This is bhakti yoga. There's no more karma. Direct. That bhakti yogas, pure bhaktis, all our Guru were teaching. In that line, also Nityananda Prabhu, what Mahaprabhu's instructions was, first Nityananda Prabhu, that instruction split everywhere, especially in Bengal. And Mahaprabhu said, go every house, every door, and tell everyone, chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Nadiya Godru mein Nityanand Mahajan, Patiya Che Naam Hat, Jiver Karan. श्रद्धावान जन है, श्रद्धावान जन है। प्रभु आज्ञाएं मांगी यही भी, प्रभु आज्ञाएं भाई मांगी यही भिक्षा, बल कृष्ण भज कृष्ण कर कृष्ण शिक्षा। अपराध शून्य है लह कृष्ण नाम, कृष्ण माता कृष्ण पिता कृष्ण धन प्राण। कृष्ण रे संसार कर छाड़ी अनाचार, जीवे दया नाम रुचि सर्वधर्म सार। तो श्री भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर, what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu want to give us, he is the main, our protector of Vishwa Vaishnava Raj Sabha, himself Radha Krishna Milit Tanu, that Bhagavan himself came to very kindly to us, no? श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु जीवे दया करी, स्व पार्षद सुय धाम सह अवतरी, अत्यंत दुर्लभ प्रेम करी वारदान, सिखाए शरणगति भक्त तेरे प्राण। तो महाप्रभु सो कांड परम दयालु, नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते, कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौर प्रियसना। और डाइट प्रेम, डाइट मूड, डाइट भाव, he like to distribute on order to Nityan Prabhu. And Nityan Prabhu saying, it's not my thing, this is my Lord, my God said to me, go every horse, beg to this. Don't directly say, you do this, you do that. Who are doing Krishna bhakti, they should be very humble. Kirnadapi sunichena, tarorapi sahisnana manina man dena kirtanya sadhari. So Nityan Prabhu, they are not saying, you chant Hare Krishna, you do this. He's saying, give me this begging, this bhiksha. Very politely, same things, you telling very directly, then hurt to person heart, or maybe they know for you. But if you say very softly, then people accept. Mood is the main thing. Like one karmi, anything doing, this become nonsense. But one devotee, this nonsense doing, but if mood is not nonsense, that become bhakti. Like if some person on your mouth spit, how you feel? Very uncomfortable. But Jasoda mother, Krishna mouth something spitting. If say karmi, they say they're very bad. Gyani also cannot understand. He do hair like this. What is this? But mother is spitting Krishna mouth some cause. One Katha Rupa Goswami said, no. One time Krishna was sleeping. Morning early 4 o'clock, he looking some dreams. And in dreams he saw Brahma came. And he doing pranam. Prabhu, no me dear. Krishna say, okay. Are you happy? You are okay? He says, yes, I'm okay. Then Shiva came, Prabhu, you not looking me? Yes. He also come my right side. So one side Brahma, one side Shiva. Then Krishna asking, both came, but Kuber is not looking. Another demigods where? Then all are telling, Prabhu, I am here. Then Krishna, everyone saying, okay, don't worry. All be happy, don't worry. Then mother hearing this all katha and saying, Krishna talking with whom? She could not understand. She thinking maybe some bad person, some bad thing did to my child, some bad guidance putting, this cause he in dream many nonsense is speaking, no meaning. Because mother mood, just Krishna is my child, he's not Bhagavan. And who can my child disturb prayers or my child telling Brahma, Shiva, this, that. Then sometime in normally people in village you can see, sometime mother no child no any bad affect this by putting some black on head, sometime putting black eyeline. And sometimes they also spitting, like the little small spitting, then any bad, any ghost, anything, they run. So here looks like very ordinary things. But mother, this thing throwing only Krishna, protect to Krishna this bad, any bad energy. So Rup Goswami was saying that mother spitting, everyone protect. Tuthu Kirtam Patuvar. Who can protect to Krishna, that can protect to whole over world. So one place in Puran said, any activities you do, Lokki, Vaidiki, Vapi, Ja Kriya Kriyate Munye, Hari Seva Anukulasa Sa Karjam Bhakti Ichhata. Bhakti means we are doing ordinary activities like normal, like the Soda Mother is spitting on Krishna, or sometimes doing to Shastra and Vedas, what telling this way following, anything do, that should be Anukul. Ja Kriya Kriyate Anukul Krishna Sa Bhakti Ichhata. Lokki, Vaidiki, Vapi, Ja Kriya Kriyate Munye. So this is called to bhakti. So activity is same, but here understanding thing, if mood is not same, bhav is not same, no relationship with Krishna, that called karma. But you are under sadhu guidance, you took dikshas, you're chanting like everything offered to Thakur, then the Thakur accept him on making him like pure devotees, on forever keeping his seva. So also today was on subject that is Gundicha Marjan. The same thing in Gundicha Marjan also saying in pure bhaktis, karma jnana have no space, no place. If karma jnana favorable to bhakti, then some level acceptable. If no cover to bhakti, Rupa Goswami Path says, Anya vilasita sunyam jnana karmadya anavritam. He not saying jnana karma throw, but saying jnana karma not covered to your bhaktis. If any activities is serve to Krishna, that is bhakti. Any your understanding serve to Krishna, that is jnana, but that is not ordinary jnana. This is seva jnana, samand jnana. So our samand jnana necessary, seva knowledge necessary. But without that any jnana, any knowledge, any activities, this is useless. So in Gundicha Marjan Leelas, Mahaprabhu, his devotees did this cleaning to Gundicha temple. This is big instructions. They are all dust, all stone, all thrones, all leaves, all any garbage thing, everything throw out. Cleaning all devotees together and throw out. That means in bhaktis, if karma is covered to bhakti, like dust too much cover, then this dust is very unusual. So this type dust what disturb your bhajan, throw out. So this is called to like many things, like Labh, Puja, Kuti Nati, and Nisidhachar. This all know bad of bhakti. This should throw to that bhakti. This cover to bhakti. Karma also, Jnana karma dure parihari. If this type karma jnana, we need to throw out. So Mahaprabhu, this thing all throw out, or making heart very cool, very clean, because heart should be very like niskam. Ahetukya prati hata jajatma sampardati. Bhakti means no any demand, no any asking, like niskam. Krishna bhakta niskam, ateva sant, bhukti mukti siddhi kami, sakale asan. You have no any desire, only desire how I can serve, like Mahaprabhu saying in Sichastakam. I nan tanuj king karam, patang mang visme bhamam budho, kripaya tava pad pankaj sthita dhuli sadirsam vichintaya. This is only heart. This time mood heart make very brightness, very cool. Are you Krishna looking? This devotee so much desire, what I want, what I can do for him. Then Krishna go there sitting his heart asan or saying everything do for me. What you can do for me, do. Because how much we love Krishna, Krishna's double force, taking to that affection, that love. So Mahaprabhu so much, so all heart, everything, whole energy, whole mind, body, everything offered to Krishna. How very nicely this Gundicha Marjan Lila did and teach to us. We also clean to everything nicely. Heart makes so clean, so cool, so soft, like by Harinam, because when Gundicha Marjan doing the chanting, when cleaning the chanting, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama. Jiva Goswami Path say any bhakti limbs you follow must they are add to Harinam. Without Harinam, these activities can be karma. If they are Harinam, they are not karma, then bhakti. All become bhakti. So anything doing Krishna, Hare Krishna, taking clay pot, Hare Krishna, giving back, Hare Krishna, cleaning, Hare Krishna. So anything do, Hare Krishna must be 24 hours. Because this is Mahaprabhu giving, saying, Jug Dharma Paravartaimu Nam Sankirtan. Chari Bhav Bhakti Diya Nachaimu Bhuvan. Mahaprabhu promising, no? I will this Jug Dharma, Harinam Sankirtan, Kal Jug Dharma, this will I will preach. And by this Harinam Sankirtan, I give 4 type of bhakti, 4 type of bhav. Chari bhav bhakti diya nachaimu bhuvan. This bhav, when people get, they start to dancing. Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol. That is Das Sak Basal Singar Chari Das, Chari bhaver bhakt jat Krishna tarbas. So this Mahaprabhu gave, and we have duty to every missions, every societies what belong to Gaudiya. This Mahapurush mood, this Siddhant, this Bhav, everything we collect, our heart, and this everyone send, everyone give. and this friendly. We all doing same thing, no? It's all books, Mahaprabhu, you know what? Guru Bhar gave this their publishing, they are distributing, going to door, also Hari Katha speaking, chanting this, you know, telling everyone this chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. This is not my instruction. Mahaprabhu said, Jare dekhe tar kar, Krishna upadesh, Amar Agnya Guru hai tara ye desh. So Mahaprabhu said, everyone who can this thing carry, he can preach, he can give. Kiva Vipra, Kiva Nyasi, Sudra ke Nai, Jai Krishna Tatveta Sai Guru. So our Guru Varga so much giving us right and power. If this thing be nicely used, then whole world, everyone will become Krishna Bhakta. And if whole world become Krishna Bhakta, then no more fight, no more tension, no more pressure, all happy, all happy. Now whole world going disturbance problem because this original thing they no getting. Artificial duplicate things they are taking to try to take on keeping this because they are too much tension. But Atma Dharma, Save Punsam Paro Dharma, Jaiv Dharma, what is no Atma Dharma, Krishna Bhakti, Sudha Bhakti, Kevala Bhakti, Nirguna Bhakti, Anya Vilasita, Sunya Bhakti, Ahetki Bhakti. We are anything doing some desire, some condition. This bhakti not give it satisfy. You like satisfy, then this anything do one is Krishna happiness. No ask anything. If Krishna something return, this is his desire. But we have no any demand. So this type bhakti to my time may be over. Next time more another topic we talk. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram.
Jai Ho, Jai Ho. Thank you very much, Maharaji, for your wonderful Harikatha. We are all very happy to have you here. Now, more than 31 people are connected into this Zoom meeting, different temples. And here in our translation, we also have more than almost 10 people connected, hearing your beautiful Harikatha by Facebook. So, and also we have more people connected by YouTube. So thank you very much. We are very happy that you have joined us today. We invite you to continue coming to inspire us and give us this light of the real bhakti and surrendering to the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, cleaning our hearts. Thank you very much. Bhaktivedanta Madhusudan Goswami Maharaj ki jai ho. Krishna Balaram Mandir ki jai. Thank you very much. If there is someone now who would like to make a question, direct question, please go ahead.
No problem. Yes.
And question for Maharaji right now. Okay, I got one question here. It says, okay, I will translate from Spanish. It is said that when we are doing karma, we can have karma misra bhakti, combination of karmic activities with bhakti. How can we distinguish between these activities that are made in the mood of bhakti but are not pure bhakti?
Because every jiva have own adhikar. So who are doing karma misra bhakti, they have this like this standard. But that bhakti is not my goal. This is my one step. Or anyone like to go pure bhakti, any step, any way, any angle, they can try to go up to that bhakti. So even some are doing karma misra bhakti, gyan misra bhakti, no problem. Just continuously, slowly, when understand everything by sadhu sang, then he will own self tell what I am doing. Because I'm murk, I'm foolish, I don't know. Now I understand. Kam lagi Krishna bhaje, paye Krishna rase, Kam chhadi das haite hai abhilashe. Even you have some mixed bhajan, but after your this mixed bhajan not stay longer, like Dhruva Maharaj. He also wants some material thing. This guy did bhakti, but after I realized, he throw this, saying, I am very foolish. I just looking piece of glass and I got to Chintamani. I no want any benediction, no want to. So any bhakti doing no problem. Slowly this will time just keep to sadhu sang. After this will go no more long state that desire. Beginning can be everyone like that, but after changing by Harikatha, by Seva, and you come one day become pure bhakti. If you have greed, then very quickly change. Sadhu sang, pure sadhu sang. Then this no more karma misra, gyan misra, bhakti stay. Because we don't know this problem.